Okay, so it just hailed like crazy here in Greenfield, Wisconsin. I'm at home right now, safe and sound. Look at the size of this. This is big. Marble size. So we kind of got some big hail around here. This one sunk while I was outside. It was golf ball size. I just got 2 big bowls full. And I'll show you what it looks like out there. All those little white things over there, all that is hail, which is starting to form into ice. So this was pretty tough. My cat's over there, kitten's up there, that's that thing on up there, Mountain Dew, throwback, real sugar, real good. I'll have some. Okay. This was all today's hail. I mean, it is 4:07 right now. I got home at like 4 o'clock, and I left the school at like 3:30. We had to put on a stop because of all the rain and stuff. So, whoa! This one's almost golf ball size. Look, this one's almost golf ball size in real life.
Oh yeah, it's a big one.
The biggest one. Look how big it is. That's actually the real size. Just so that I can bring it closer and that you can see it more. Look at all of this. Look. Look at all this hail. You see, now it's starting to storm out there. Earlier, while the hail was going on, it wasn't even storming. I'm like, what the heck?
Were you at school?
When it started, no, we were on the bus. We started driving out. Then the hail, then the big wind started, and then we turned to the corner, and we had to stop at the police station to. Yeah, we had to stop there because something. Just so that they could figure out what's going on and stuff.
Probably wait till the driver could see. I just looked at this email. It says, bus students will remain on the bus until the storm is passed. The buses have all pulled on off the side of the road.
It didn't pass when that happened.
Well, it takes a while for that storm to.
But then we got a better, longer bus time, which was sad. So, if you want hail, come to Greenfield and get your Big Mama hails. These are giant. Look at it. I mean, look at. This is one handful of this ice. Feels. What?
Get my 5% cash back. Airlines and hotels we're not going to use. Best Buy and Kohl's.
Yeah, we would use that for a hotel.
Well,
so this.
It was gas stations and restaurants.
Look at. I shoved my hand in there. Look at. I'm shoving my hand in there, and then it molds into the material plane. Not in this one. This one stays. This one molds because it's more bigger. Dig, 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 dig. Oh, what do I find? A giant piece of hail. I can't believe this is hail. Oh, this hail.